This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay animation on the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now and I am on the Reddit app. To enable or disable autoplay animation, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to your little profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Then you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you want to tap on Settings. Now under Settings you want to scroll down to where you see the accessibility area, and in the accessibility area you want to tap on Media and Animations. And then right down here, Autoplay Animated Images. Below that it says Automatically Play GIFs. You can toggle that on or off right there. If you toggle it off, animated GIFs will not play. If you toggle it on, they will play. That is how to enable or disable autoplay animated images on Reddit. Thanks for watching.